How to install the cabinet hanger rail. The cabinet hanger rail provides an easy way to mount and ensure a level install of your wall cabinets. Make sure to collect all required components and tools necessary prior to your installation. Step 1. Measure the length you require of your wall hanger rail. Step 2. Mark a horizontal line 2.36 inches below the measured top line of the wall cabinet. This line will be used to align the hanger rail later in the installation. Step 3. Using a hacksaw, cut the cabinet hanger rail to the required length. Step 4. Mounting the hanger rail. Using a level and the previous markings, align the center of the hanging rail on this line. Attach the hanger rail using the provided 6 by 70 mm lag screw. If your walls are uneven, shims may be required to keep your hanger rail straight. A molly bolt can be used at the end of a rail if it doesn't land on a stud. Double-check the level of each hanger rail after installation. Make any adjustments as necessary.